I'm Liz Carroll. This is Entertain Me for the Daily Dose, elevating your tablescape. I'm going to show you how I've set this table and broken a lot of rules while I've done it. So first thing on your table, start with a tablecloth. I love this punchy, graphic, floral fabric. Don't worry about the rules of how far off the ground it's gonna be, where it hits. You can go to a local fabric store and buy some fabric, trim it around the edges, and if you need to, just tuck it under on the ends. The next thing I love to do is kind of put your essentials down on the table. Placemat, plate, silverware. A couple things about silverware. Some people know where to place it, some people don't. So let's do a quick refresher. On the left is the fork, and on the right is the knife and the spoon. Quick fun fact, a long time ago, if you were sitting at a dinner party and the blade, the sharp part of the blade, was pointed towards your companion on the right, it was an act of hostility or aggression. So make sure that when you're setting your table, you face the sharp part of the blade in. Nobody needs a fight at a dinner party. Another thing that I love is using white plates. Food looks beautiful on a white plate. As you can also see, I've got napkins here with napkin rings. Mixed metals are fine when you're setting the table. We've got different napkin rings in silver, and then we've got brass for the silverware. Totally fine to mix metals. Now for the finishing touches. We've got these mint julep cups that I used on the table to do some tulip arrangements. I love the monochromatic look of the tulips in a really tight bouquet on the table. Simple, easy, pretty. I had these mint julep cups in the pantry. One of the other things I love to do for a finishing touch is place cards so my guests know where to sit. So I've got names set out on the table and everyone will know right where to go. I also love to have candles on the table. It provides such a beautiful ambient lighting. They can be different colors, they can be different heights. As you see here, I've got coral, dusty pink, rose. One of my favorite tips is do this all in advance. Give yourself some breathing room. Set the table a day ahead of time. So then all you have to do is light the candles, open the wine, turn on the music, and wait for your guests to come.
Only one network brings it all home. The Design Network. Home revealed.